How to hide the likes on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video I will simply show you the way as to how you can hide likes and reactions on Facebook. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. No, we're not talking about going ahead and hiding likes for a specific post. That is just going to take too much of our time. We can hide likes for all of our posts if we do not want the public to see it. We can also hide likes from others' posts if we don't want to see how much likes other people have gotten on their posts. Now this is a really cool feature that Facebook has updated, so you have to make sure to update the Facebook app to the latest version as well. After you do that, just go ahead and then open up the Facebook application. Now by default you'll be able to see the number of likes if the other person has not hidden, and people who visit your profile will also be able to see the number of likes that you have received on your post. You can hide this all and overall in just 2 steps. What you have to do is just tap on the menu icon from the top right hand side of the screen, scroll down to the bottom, expand the menu called settings and privacy, and then just go to settings. And once you go to settings, just tap on the option called profile settings at the very top. And once you go to profile settings, over here we will scroll until we find the option called reaction preferences. So halfway down the bottom you can see feed settings, and under feed settings you have news feed and reaction preferences, and that is exactly what we are looking for. Just tap on reaction preferences. Now if you don't want to see reactions from other people's posts, then you can turn on the first toggle that says on posts from others. If you don't want the general public to see reactions and likes on your post, then you could just turn on the second toggle that says on your post. Other people won't see the total number of reactions on the post you share to your profile. Reaction counts will still appear on your post in other places such as groups or other content and so on. You can hide this for your own posts and others' posts as well. And that's all it takes to hide likes on Facebook. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.